Hello, everyone. This is Katherine, the Emerging Technologies Librarian for the Cranston Public Library. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Privacy Badger onto your computer's internet browser. Privacy Badger is an add-on or extension for your browser that stops advertisers and third-party companies from secretly tracking what websites you visit and things you look at on the internet. First, I'm going to open an internet browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you could also pick Microsoft Edge or Firefox, whichever you prefer. To open up Google Chrome, I'm going to place the arrow, or my mouse's cursor, right on top of it and double-click. If Google Chrome opens in a smaller window, to make it full screen, you can click on the Maximize button in the top right-hand corner. It looks just like a little box. Next, I'm going to click on the address bar up in the top of my Google Chrome window and type in privacybadger.org. Next, I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Here is the website with its Badger mascot right at the top. We recommend installing Privacy Badger because nowadays websites have tools that place ads, run analytics, and track each user who interacts with their site. Some of these tools are necessary for the website to function, but others are created to collect personal information about your computer, its location, and what content gets clicked on. This information is collected across the websites you visit and used to create a unique user profile about you, which is then sold to advertisers, all without your knowledge. Once you install Privacy Badger, it will begin to block those trackers and give you back some control over your privacy. For more information on Privacy Badger, use the scroll bar on the right-hand side to scroll down and look at their frequently asked questions. Once you've finished looking at those, scroll back up and begin to install Privacy Badger. You can see that Privacy Badger can be installed on Firefox, Firefox on Android, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. To install, just click on the big orange Install button in the center of the screen. If you are using Google Chrome, you will be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. Click on the blue Add to Chrome button when you're ready to install. A pop-up window will appear, and you can click on the Add Extension button to agree and install. Once installed, you will be redirected to a page where you can take a tour of how Privacy Badger works. Just click on the Take the Tour button and scroll down. You will see more information about Privacy Badger and read more about what trackers are blocked. To see the extension, click on the puzzle piece icon at the top right corner of Chrome. To remove Privacy Badger or change settings, click on the three dots. Now I'm going to do the same process in Firefox. If you are using Firefox and click on the orange Install button, a pop-up message will appear. When you are ready to install, click on the blue Add button. Once installed, it will display a message that Privacy Badger has been added to Firefox. You can click on OK, got it. To remove Privacy Badger or change settings, click on the three horizontal lines to open Firefox's menu. Navigate to Add-ons, and then click on Privacy Badger. From there, you can read more about Privacy Badger and scroll down to customize further settings. You are now ready to browse the internet with a little more privacy than you had before. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by email. Our address is central@cranstonlibrary.org. Thank you.